What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover your Snapchat account without access to your phone number. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Losing access to the phone number associated with your Snapchat account can be a hurdle when trying to recover your account. This can happen for various reasons, like changing your phone number, losing your phone, or other scenarios where your registered number is no longer accessible. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be on your computer, tablet, or even another smartphone. Navigate to Snapchat's Help Center at help.snapchat.com, or simply click on the link provided in the video description below. Once on the Help Center page, you'll see several options. Look for Managing My Account and click on it. This will lead you to a section with various account management topics. From here, select Login and Password. This section is dedicated to issues related to login into your account and password troubles. To proceed without your phone number, choose the option to reset password via email. You will be redirected to a page where you need to enter your email address. This should be the email address linked to your Snapchat account. After entering your email, a password reset link will be sent to your inbox. Open your email inbox on the same device you're using to access the Snapchat Help Center. This helps streamline the process. Locate the email from Snapchat and click on the password reset link. This link is crucial as it allows you to set a new password for your Snapchat account, bypassing the need for your phone number. Once you click the link, you'll be guided through setting a new password for your Snapchat account. Choose a strong, secure password that you haven't used before to ensure your account security. With your new password set, open the Snapchat app on your device. Enter your username and the new password you just created. This should grant you access to your Snapchat account. Always use a strong, unique password for your accounts to maintain security. If you suspect any unauthorized activity on your account, change your password immediately and review your account settings. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.